Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be looking at Colourpop's newest collection, which is their strawberry collection. As you saw from the intro, the packaging is adorable and it all came in this giant strawberry. So cute. So really quickly, before we get into the products, I'm going to share with you guys what actually comes in the collection. We have some products from Fourth Rate Beauty, which is Colourpop's skincare sister company. So we have a strawberry face milk and we have a strawberry seed oil. It comes in a little set also with a lip scrub. This is by the bushel. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a pre-existing lip scrub. Either way, it smells freaking amazing. So that is like the skincare portion. And then we have a blush and highlight stick. We have 2 pressed powder blushes, 2 Jelly Much eyeshadows, 2 super cute ultra glossy lips, and lastly the eyeshadow palette. As usual, I'm gonna start off with the face products first. We have the blush and highlight stick. These are creams. Believe it or not, I still haven't tried these, so I'm very excited to put these to the test today. And then we have 2 pressed powder blushes. This is a lot to put on the cheeks, so I'm gonna try to figure this out. I do have swatches of everything, so if I don't get to use something on my face, you will see swatches of it nonetheless. I'm gonna start off with the cream blush first, and this is in the shade 25/8. So like I said, I haven't tried this product out before, and normally I'm not a cream blush type of person. I generally wear like full coverage and powder and all of that, which I do have like powder and foundation on. So we're gonna see how this goes on top. I am going to use my finger first. I'm just gonna swirl a little bit. It feels really nice though. And I think I'm going to tap this into my skin. So far it looks really pretty. It's not doing anything weird with my foundation or my powder. It looks super smooth and it's like, do you see like that little fresh dewiness? It's not like sparkly or shimmery at all, which I really like, but it just gives such a healthy look. I guess let's go into the highlighter now. This is in the shade Star Bright. I have swatched this and it is so beautiful. I'm going to, I don't know, directly apply this to my face and see what happens. I'm going to use my finger to push it into my skin. I'm gonna take a little bit more with my finger. Again, it's not really doing anything weird with my foundation, which is really nice. Oh, this looks so pretty. I don't know why it has taken me so long to try these out, but it's like that perfect summertime blush and glow. It doesn't feel super like tacky or like wet on the skin, but I can tell it's not like dry like a powder feels. I now want to try the pressed powder blushes. I think I'm gonna choose one shade to try. So these are the 2 blush shades. This is Shortcake and this is See You Later. I am going to go in with this one. It's a little bit lighter. I feel like that might be a little bit too intense for me. So I'm gonna go to Shortcake. And we're gonna pop this onto the cheek. Oh, that's so pretty. I was a little scared it was gonna be very overwhelming, but I really like the formula. It's definitely a lot more pink than I normally wear, but if you're into it, this is perfect. This may or may not be a good idea, but I'm also going to take some of this blush and place it on this side. And because I have that cream blush, there's like a little bit of like something it might stick to. I just want to even it up though. Okay, not so scary. I don't know if you guys can tell how glowy my skin still looks even though I just put like a powder on top of it. It looks so good. I'm gonna go into the highlighter stick and apply some on this side. This time I'm gonna go in with a brush and see how it applies with one. So I'm going to, ooh. I'm gonna add a little bit more on this side. We are going to be glowy. I feel like the brush definitely applied it a lot more intense. I will say the highlighter stick does have some sparkle, little glitter flecks in there. It's nothing too crazy, and I feel like with the brush, I see more of those like little sparkles. With the finger, it's a little bit more like a dewy, wet look. So I guess how you apply it, you're gonna get a different effect. Let's move on to the eyes. This is the Strawberry Shake eyeshadow palette. And these are the colors inside. I think it's absolutely adorable. I have swatched these already and they're beautiful. This shade right here, blinding. As usual, I don't know what look I'm creating, but we will create something. I'm gonna start off with the shade first. It's called Woke. Oh wow, that is a lot more pigmented than I thought. It's a really pretty like dusty pink. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my god, that was a lot more pigmented than I really thought. I think we're gonna do a little bit of drama today. I'm gonna go to this really pretty peachy shade. It's called Paper Straw. And I am going to place that into the crease as well and just really bring that shade out. I just want to use as many colors as I possibly can. I'm going to mix these 2 shades, My Milkshake and Shake It Up. I'm going to pop this into the crease start adding some depth. We also have two really pretty jelly much eyeshadows, which I really want to use. I'm gonna take a really tiny amount of daiquiri. This is a very interesting shade. It's kind of like a muted red, but I don't know, like this is gorgeous. I'm gonna take a very small amount of this. And again, I'm going to pop this into my crease. Everything looks a lot more like pink on the eye than it does in the palette. Interesting. I'm gonna go back to the shade Paper Straw, and I'm going to kind of add this back into the crease just to help like blend all the other colors, and I'm gonna still drag this out. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Delish. This color is so beautiful, and I am going to apply this underneath my brow bone. Oh my gosh, wow, that's pretty. We love a good highlighted brow. Oh my god, like this color is stunning. I'm gonna take that on the inner corners of my eyes as well. Okay, I need a smaller brush. I love this. I'm taking a mixture of these two shades, and I'm just gonna kind of add a little bit of darkness underneath my lower lash line. I'm gonna step away from the eyeshadow palette and go into the jelly matte shadows. This one is called Strawberry Jam, and this one is Strawberry Jelly. Strawberry Jelly literally looks like it's fluorescent, like it's glowing. It's very interesting. I feel like we're gonna have to use this since the look is just so pink. But these are both so pretty. I have swatched them and they are stunning. I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna take that jelly matte shadow, and I'm going to very lightly start building this up onto my lid. If you've never tried a jelly much eyeshadow, I highly recommend that you guys do. They are so beautiful, very easy to use. It's kind of like a jelly cream shadow, and they do dry down. They are very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. I'm gonna go back into the shade Delish, and I'm going to apply a little bit, kind of just like on the center of my eye, just to kind of give it like that wet spotlight look and see what happens. Hopefully it looks good. I'm just gonna go straight down the center. I think I'm done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and add a wing and some mascara, and I will be right back. So here is the final look. I went ahead and added some glitter to my wing. This is from Urban Decay. It's the Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Catcall. I just thought it would be fun, add a little something to the look. I'm definitely feeling this look. I feel like it's giving me very party girl vibes. I'm here for it. Anyways, let's move on to the last product, which is the lips. We have two ultra glossy lips. We have one in Easy Bake, and then we have one in Very Good. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch both of them on my lips. I am starting off with the shade Easy Bake. Ooh, this is a really cute color. It smells so good. This is such a beautiful gloss. It has like a creaminess to it, but it's not super opaque. It does have like a bit of sheerness to it. It's like your lips but better. It just gives your lips like that really juicy look. It's not jam-packed with like a lot of sparkle or glitter. Like there's like the tiniest, most subtle hint of sparkle in there, but you don't really see that sparkle on your lips. What it does, it just gives you like that faux extra juicy look, and I love this. This is so pretty. If you've never tried Colourpop glosses, they are super smooth, very glidey, very lightweight, very comfy, and not sticky whatsoever. The last gloss we have is called Very Good. This is definitely a lot more vibrant of a gloss. Ooh, I surprisingly really like this gloss, and when I say surprisingly, it's only because I don't wear a lot of pinky or ready toned colored glosses. I usually wear more neutral, natural. The more champagne-y or clear it is, the better. from the strawberry collection. I think it's a really cute one overall. I don't think there was a product I tried that I didn't like. I think the packaging alone is so cute, like the outer box and even like the product itself with the strawberries on it, like it's just really adorable. And I'm a sucker for packaging as always. I think Mia really likes this collection too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, MAKEUPBYJESI. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. See, I have a puppy, she's cute. We have puppies here on this channel. Subscribe! Also hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. With all of that said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!